In a bold declaration, Bosnian leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa has vowed to thwart Emmerson Mnangagwa's attempt to secure a third term in office. Azvipere mushe panapa Nelson Chamisa oya achivaconfusa amene kuti anouya panapa achivakriticize kuti azviiti but vanondoshaura kuti arikuda kumboitei kuti astope their third term kana kuti their 2030 aspiration. Sanapenda mashoko abuda nyuko panapa ulivyo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tikina mzimu Mnangagwa mchinzi. This pledge comes amid growing concerns that Mnangagwa's ruling party ZANU-PF may seek to undermine the country's constitution to extend his presidency. Chamisa is taking a firm stance against what he describes as a potential constitutional breach. On Tuesday, he expressed his determination in a sanctity post on X, formerly Twitter, stating unequivocally that it can't. This controversy centers on ZANU-PF headliners who are reportedly pushing for constitutional amendments that would allow Mnangagwa to extend his presidency beyond the limits set by the current laws. This move has sparked significant debate and concern among opposition members and civil society organizations who view it as a threat to democratic principles and constitutional order. Tukuona pana pa mashuka Nelson Chamisa aiwa arikuwa achikonzeresa arikuwa achisheka the ruling party noda kuti angoya mashuka kuti no it can't zvamuruda kuita it can't azvibudi kuti mukwanise kuextenda the rule yemutungamiri wenyika Emmerson Mnangagwa kuti varamba vachitonga beyond 2028 vasvike kuna 2030. Kutidze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro kwekujamuka kwaita vakomana ava veopposition vachiuya vachiconfuse vakomana the ruling party. Pinda comment section medu dze mafunguro enyu musaona subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.